Alright, what's up everybody? We are on episode 40 of That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime. Jesus man, time flies. Yeah, we're getting actually really close to the third season already as well, which at the time I'm recording this is still basically ongoing and everybody's hyped about it. I can't believe how fast we've gotten here, but this show is such a prime example to me of like a show that is... Don't get me wrong, I feel like it's plenty deep actually. I think especially in terms of like the world building, the amount of regions of course that we're kind of dealing with, right? It's very rich in that regard, but at the same time it's an easy to watch show, if that makes sense. Like it's just easy to kind of follow along with. There's a lot happening, but you don't necessarily, I feel, always need to keep track of everything. It's there if you want it to be, right? But yeah, it's a very bingeable show, I guess is what I mean to say. That being said, last episode was essentially focused on Rimuru coming up with a great idea on how to handle this situation that we've basically created now, right? I mean, we didn't fully create it ourselves necessarily, of course. Falmouth had a massive hand in that themselves, but that being said, with Rimuru turning into a demon lord, that's not necessarily something that other kingdoms are going to look at as a positive thing, and so we need to play it off as like, oh, we were essentially forced to do it, which, I mean, that's the interesting part, but like we were forced to do it, right? When I actually think about it. I mean, it's because we needed to revive all those people in our nation after they got killed by the Falmouth soldiers and stuff, right? But still, yeah, I mean, again, I'm not sure if I entirely therefore follow why it's necessary for us to play it off like that, because Rimuru had plenty of reasons for it now that I think about it, right? I mean, that's really what it was about. It was actually saving his own people. Now, in the meantime, I mean, I do get that in order to actually become that demon lord, we in turn had to be killing a bunch of people, right? Which, then again, Falmouth was going to attack us anyway, so... yeah, I guess I'm still trying to make up in my mind whether it was necessarily something that we need to make up an excuse for, but I get that to take over Falmouth now, we're gonna need to play it off as like, okay, we had no choice, this and that, right? This is all basically a good thing, and Yuma's gonna go there to take over as king, and yeah, we're gonna get Falmouth on our side, and Yuma's gonna have it focus on a bunch of agricultural activities so that they'll help us with our, you know, food supply and everything like that too, right? Yeah, it's all great stuff. Again, we're sort of expanding, and in the meantime, of course, Clayman is up to his own shenanigans, I guess. Whatever those are, and of course last episode we kind of had it teased to us again that he should not underestimate, you know, the fact that Milim might not be fully in his control the way that he thinks she actually is. I never really thought Milim was like that either, but again, this season kind of refuses to let us know what Milim's mindset is at this point in time. Why she went to go and attack the Beast Kingdom, what that was about, what that scene was about, when she was standing in the room with Clayman. Yes, it was very much trying to make it seem to us like, oh, they had concocted this plan together, but it's very clear that Milim never really was that kind of character, and so, again, what actually has been going on this entire time? Who is to say? We're gonna find out, guys. Let's just dive into this new episode, and of course, if you enjoy my reactions to That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime, you will be able to get early access to the next 16 episodes already straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description, so make sure you go and check it out. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes already right now, so I hope to see you there. But with that being said, let's dive into this new episode. That's what I was asking, like what was that warning about? Surely she had her reasons, right? Oh, it's a personal butler. Holy fuck, I forgot all about that. This thing looks menacing. Nah, dude, this is fucking Voldemort. This voice is way too kind for what this thing looks like. I recognize this voice too. Why do I recognize this voice so well? Dude, what was the warning about? Just tell us. Oh my god, we don't care. We care about this anime right now. Please. Something about doom and the end of the world, and with Tempest is falling. Doomed to fall. Close enough. How about you actually start then? Oh, Wall Purges. Yeah, they keep talking about that. Whatever the fuck that means. Demon Lord's Banquet? Oh. Does that mean we can attend? We're a Demon Lord. When the Demon Lords assemble, a great war emerges. It was named that way by the Western Holy Church. I have no idea what the fuck this is about. Drink tea while discussing urgent reports and amusing topics. I mean, don't they already do this anyway all the time? Tea party. Our destruction. Oh. Milim, Clayman? Frey and Milim, both. Interesting. Oh, yeah, they got... Oh, well, I mean, they saw Frey literally, right? Sanctions. Oh shit, this is getting so political right now. Because of Carrion's betrayal. Yeah, I don't think he was the one who did the betraying. You can imagine why they're upset. What, to here? Fucking hell, man, this shit is chaotic. Then again, when are you ever calm, Ramirez? Yes, he's actually wrong about that. She's standing right here. Yeah. Well, we've got living proof, literally. Yep. Do you have an ID card with you or something? Yeah, that makes things a little bit awkward here, actually. You figured it out. 3 days from now, night of the new moon. I mean, like, well, I guess we can't show up because we're not invited, right? Yeah, so like if I'm getting it right, and I mean I never know if I'm fully getting it right, but like so Rimuru is also at fault, right? Rimuru is also at fault because of him supposedly having killed Murin, even though, you know, Murin basically got betrayed and you know, like, well, I don't know. Can Rimuru be faulted for having killed Murin even though he didn't? Like, can he be faulted? Is that why Rimuru could not actually show up at this wall purges in the first place, you know? Now that he's a demon lord too, I guess they see that as like a threat. I mean, does Milim too? I don't understand where she actually stands in all of this, because I don't think she stands with Clayman. You get what I'm saying? Oh god. Oh no! Oh, they're tickling her in all the right spots, aren't they? Is this Trini? Yo, are these the Dryads? Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, they sure are.
ああ、ところでリムル殿。なんでしょう。我が国とテンペストの間に街道を作って直線で結べば行き来がしやすくなるかと思います。
I mean, I'm trying to figure out what the fuck your nation even looks like.
俺たちに街道を整備しろっていうことか。
やるだよ。
He's just shoving the costs onto us. Can you blame him? Yeah, maybe somebody else could pay this time.
その通りだ。街道上の警備および宿屋の運営も任せてもらいたい。当然だが、それにかかる経費を乗せた通行税もいただくことになる。
We're building a toll road, yeah. Fair enough. Charge people while we're at it. Negotiate the amount of the toll every few years. Yeah, and we just won't allow it to go any lower. Then what? I mean, what do you have? Like, what can you even negotiate about? You get what I'm saying? We built it. We said we would charge a toll. You're gonna try to renegotiate every few years, but what do you have against us? Is this... Oh. Yeah, no. Don't you rust? Good point. Don't need to see her naked in a pool. That's just me, though. No offense to anybody who does. I'm sure there's some weirdos out there. Fawning over me. Nah, I think everybody thinks you're cute, Ramaris. Oh, of course, you actually love it. Caretakers, exactly. Put some respect on them. Oh. I was gonna say, they usually, you know, don't spend that much time here, actually. I was surprised by it already. God, they really found their new favorite toy, I guess, huh? It's just like Sion when it comes to Rimuru. Jesus, oh man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hungry as fuck right now. Showing this to me is not the greatest thing to do. Oh my. The war prisoners? Including the dude? Raisin?
取り調べ尋問というか情報は喋っていたぜリムルの旦那。
そうね。でもあれは取り調べではなかったわ。
Then what the fuck was it? I'm guessing they didn't spill, or what are they saying? King Admiris. A merchant who came in contact with him. What the fuck is... What the fuck just happened there? What were we seeing and what was that about? Sold goods and such from our country into his, which piqued the king's greed. What the fuck were they laying inside of? Yeah, a bunch of fucking bones and guts and whatever the fuck, but Jesus. Incident? Is that just what the prisons are like? Nickel spoon?
ニコニコプー。レイヒム大司祭が語ったと
ニコスプー
ころによると、元凶はニコラウス・シュペルタス枢機卿です。
レイヒム大司祭は神的討伐の栄誉をもって中央に対する評価を得ようとしていたのですな。
予定ということはまだ西方正教会と交渉する余地があるかもしれないな。
I don't know what we're talking about at this point.
他の国々が興味を持つようなことになれば西方正教会だって迂闊には動けませんからな。あ
あ、よろしく頼むよ。
お任せください。
Oh god. Valdora is still right in the middle of this all.
さて、その3名の捕虜をヨウムが
Hume
救出
rescued
したという
those
こと
three
に
war
して
prisoners
凱旋を演出するわけだが、
and give them what looks like a triumphant return.
とどまりそう。レイヒム大司祭、あと一人は誰だ？
あのひどく怯えていた男ですね。
Yo, is that not Folgen, the captain of the
お前が
Knights?
捕まえたんだったよな。
Yo, I need to get a look at them again, actually. Just now, the shot that we got. We're on 16 minutes, okay. God, where was that? Oh, here we go. Yeah, right. This was Admiris. Oh, this was him, though, right? Folgen? Is that what he used to be called? Like the human dude? Yeah, this is Rahim, right? That was the priest of the Holy Church. Yeah, I remember that. Okay, Jesus, now I finally kind of recognized him. Laying among this, whatever the fuck it is. Oh my god. But this is the human dude still, right? Wasn't that supposed to be Raisin he was called, I think? Was the human dude himself called Folgen? Because they're not gonna be aware that it was Raisin that went inside of him, right? I don't know if I'm still fucking following this, guys. Forgive me.
何の問題にもならぬ小物でした。人間にしてはそれなりに魔法を操れたようですが。
Yeah, I wouldn't have called him weak. Exactly.
名前は？
ラーメンです。
Ramen.
か。そういえばもう何年もラーメンを食べてないんだよ。
He's not called ramen.
ラーメンなんて魔法使いがファルムスにいたか。
魔法といえばファルムスに
Raisin. Okay, I did get it right. Jesus.
英雄ラーゼンか。忘れてはならぬ男よな。
Okay, so at least they know that it's actually him.
英知の魔人と呼ばれる男ですね。
ま、近接戦闘では俺たちが勝つだろうが、油断できぬ人間であるのは間違いねえな。
Yeah, I was gonna say.
シオン、そいつはラーメンって間違いないんだな。
Dude is quite the threat.
多分ですが若造でした。
Yeah, it's not who you...
そうです。
He doesn't look the way he used to, though.
一人でしたし、みんなが言ってるような魔法使いではありません。
Well, yeah, but he is now. Oh, this shit is so... Yeah, they're not gonna fucking figure this shit out. Using a secret soul magic ritual allows one to possess... Okay, okay. Rimuru's gonna know.
じゃあまさかラーメンって
Raisin.
ラーゼンです。捕虜の名前。
It's raisin inside the body of the dude that attacked us.
ウィザードとしての実力も私に並ぶかそれ以上の稀有な人間だった。
Damn. He was that big of a deal, huh?
そんなやつを一周してたとはさすがの実力だな。
Yeah.
よし。
We have plenty to get into when it comes to Diablo,
エド
too.
マリス王、レイヒム大司祭、ラーゼンの捕虜3人を連れて行動を起こしてもらうわけだが、ディアブロも連れて行け。ヨウムたちの支援に誰をつけるか悩んでいたが、お前なら適任だ。頼んだぞ。
Damn.
承知しました。リムルス様。
I wonder what his reaction is about.
気長にな。
Is he surprised that he got
早
picked?
急に終わらせて戻ってまいります。
国を一つ滅ぼすのに大した
He doesn't seem to mind it at the least.
だからこそ安心して任せられる。
Yeah, dude, I still don't know if I fucking... Like, I don't think I can trust him, though.
そちらのラミリス君の知らせで俺が狙われているということが分かった。ソエ、クレイマンの軍勢の動きを報告してくれ。
Wow.
軍勢はおよそ3万。現在
Holy shit.
ミリムの領地にて編成を
Organizing within Milim's
3
territory.
万か。勝てない数じゃないな。
軍を率いているのはどうやらクレーマン本人ではないようです。
ほう。
But by
軍
Milim?
勢の中で特に魔素量が多いのは
Milim himself, no? Oh
こいつ
no.
は指揮官か。
Oh, that's the Kazalim or something. They...
中止？
Yamza?
はい。
Middle
ク
finger?
レイマンの配下でも特
He's got 5 fingers. Dude, this is ReZero all over again. Jesus Christ. Yamza Edelman. The Ninehead. Pirone. And she was the ring finger. Dude. I'm sorry, but how many fucking characters is this show going to keep introducing me to, man? They just revealed, like, I think he was called Kazalim, who was this elf now, or whatever, right? And Kazalim was supposed to be like a demon lord, basically above Clayman even, or something, I think is what they said. This shit is ridiculous. Magic Swordsman of Ice. Master of Immortality. And so he is organizing the whole thing? Like all the other fingers are gonna be there? Why would he purposefully keep it that small? Yeah, they're probably not even coming. What are they doing then, though? I mean, Clayman always has like different plans than outright coming for you. He's a behind-the-scenes dude. Oh. That's what they said, actually. Yeah, no, they actually announced that already. They were going for the villagers. Yeah, right. This is fucking with my brain. Awaken as a true Awaken as a true demon lord. See, so there is such a thing as a true demon lord as well, I guess. Oh my god. Based on an inaccurate reference. Plans to massacre the remaining refugees so he can awaken as a true demon lord. Yeah, he probably has to sacrifice a bunch of casualties too, huh? To accomplish that. Oh, here. They're gone. Yep, leaving the country weak. The kingdom. Wow. That is definitely problematic. I mean, we can't just teleport there somehow, right? Jesus, this is a lot to keep track of, guys. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and of course, you can get early access to the next 16 episodes straight away over on my Patreon page, which is going to be linked on top of the description. Go and check it out. You can also sign up as a free member and watch the next 2 episodes already right now. So, I'll see you there.